Tablets are truly indispensable tech products for students at all levels and office works. A large size and better screen quality are important factors when choosing a tablet. The Honor MagicPad 3 is equipped with a 3.2K resolution, a 13.3-inch LCD screen, a 165Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-high 91% screen-to-body ratio. It weighs only 595 grams, and its body is 5.79 millimeters thick, making it a proper large-screen, thin, and light tablet. My version is the white color. The back panel uses a shimmering sandblasting process. Do you think it looks good? Honor's large screen is quite special. Everyone must get to know Honor's Oasis Eye Protection technology. In daily use, I turn on AI Defocus Eye Protection, AI Dry Eye Friendly Mode, and Natural Color Display. Additionally, there's Global DC Dimming, Natural Light-like Eye Protection, Motion Sickness Relief Display, AI Sleep Aid Display, and hardware-level low blue light, totaling 8 major Oasis Eye Protection technologies. It's currently the only one in the industry. This time, the Honor MagicPad 3 is marketed as an AI tablet. So where can its productivity features be used? Let's first look at the AI Magic Pen. If you use a tablet for study or work, you'll definitely find it useful. For test papers you usually work on, after taking a photo with your phone and importing it into Honor Notes, tap the AI Magic Pen icon, select Ink Restoration, and it will automatically generate clear question content, making it convenient for secondary editing. Or when writing copy in Honor Notes, the AI Magic Pen can quickly delete multiple lines of text. If you forget how to write a character, you can just type the pinyin and it will intelligently suggest the character. For social media, you can use AI Inspiration Writing. Long press the text input area, open AI Writing Assistant, where you have options like reply, copywriting, review, etc. Select the publishing platform and it will help you generate copies suitable for that platform style. There's also a one-click PPT generation feature that I must highly recommend to everyone. The Honor MagicPad 3 is the first in the industry to offer this feature for free. Through Honor Doc's Yo-Yo Assistant, give a command with the content and theme to generate a PPT. It first generates an outline, then you select a template style, and finally, it generates the PPT. The whole process is free and it includes both text and images. You can also edit and create it a second time. The AI services within Honor Docs are also very comprehensive. It can summarize, translate, create mind maps, and more. There's always one that can help you with your work or study. One last thing, Honor's AI features are free to use. To help everyone work more effectively, Honor has also enabled interconnectivity across different platforms. Currently, iPhones can achieve file transfer by downloading Honor Connect. We'll use the Honor Magic V5 as an example to show you a demo. Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi phones can transfer files by turning on their mutual transfer switch. Huawei phones can also transfer directly. It's the same for iPads, Huawei tablets, and tablets from OVM, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi. Currently, Harmony OS PC, Mac, and Windows are expected to have this feature rolled out between July and September, so stay tuned. So to support AI computing and such a large screen, what is its actual battery life? The Honor MagicPad 3 uses a 12,450 mAh battery, the largest capacity in the industry. The hardware is maxed out. On the software side, Honor's AI scheduling and GPU turbo technology come into play, which can significantly optimize battery life. We opened a 1080p video on Bilibili and tested it continuously for 9 hours and 34 minutes at normal indoor brightness and volume. The final battery consumption was 68%. This battery life is top-notch. I don't know when everyone developed this mindset that a tablet for study and creativity can't be good for gaming or have strong performance. Well, Honor's configuration this time really breaks that traditional thinking. It uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship chip and supports the Honor Phantom engine. For a large screen tablet, I recommend playing open world games. The quest storylines are enjoyable to watch and the visuals are more comfortable. I also chose the game Genshin Impact, which recently added a new character. We ran around the Natlin map for 30 minutes, fighting monsters and looking for chests. The final average game frame rate was 59.8 FPS. In the large-scale game test, the Honor MagicPad 3 demonstrated powerful chip tuning capability, which is really impressive. Lastly, a pleasant surprise. During the gaming and audio tests, I found the tablet's sound quality to be exceptionally good. The Honor MagicPad 3 is equipped with 8 speakers, using high-low frequency division technology, including 4 bass units and 4 Treba units. In terms of hardware specifications, it has an absolute advantage. It also uses Honor's self-developed spatial audio technology, bringing a brand new 3D naked ear spatial audio experience, which feels very immersive. For accessories this time, Honor offers a smart touch keyboard and the Honor Magic Pencil 3. You can decide whether to buy them based on your needs. Honor's current ecosystem is definitely one of the best. With the new system, you can just swipe up with 3 fingers to
to enter the Honor Trust Ring, allowing you to share screens, keyboard and mouse, network, camera services, and scanning services with different Honor devices. It's smooth and easy to use. For example, if you're in a meeting, you just need to swipe up with 3 fingers on the Honor Magic V5, open the Trust Ring, and drag the meeting to the tablet to continue the meeting without interruption. If the tablet is playing a TV show and you suddenly need to go out and want to watch it in a taxi, just use the Honor Magic V5 to swipe up on the app from the bottom. It will show app continuity and you can continue watching directly. This kind of ecosystem flow is convenient and smooth. Overall, the Honor MagicPad 3 with its comprehensive AI software and hardware enablement is a highly recommended large-screen flagship AI tablet to buy. The Honor ecosystem is also very rich with practical functions. My assessment is that it's a particularly user-friendly ecosystem with exceptionally good product categories and sincere pricing. This is the Honor of today.